Good morning. Welcome to our boat project, part 3.
Hello. Today
Good morning.
we're gonna sand polish the entire outside of the boat, except the bottom, which we're gonna use a power wash. And then we're gonna paint this white part, and we got the new polish that's white. So the entire underside of the boat is gonna be white.
Yeah, and we're gonna put some sparkle in hose like this. Try to fix this and yeah. So
Let's just start.
let's just start. So now we're finished with the sanding, and we're gonna go pick up. No, first we gotta put some sparkle so it can dry.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's put some sparkle.
Christian is putting on some sparkle. Looking very nice. A little more. Yeah, it's an air bubble. So now I have put filler on the entire boat, on all the scratches and the marks we can find.
Just trying to see if it's some last scratches.
Yeah. Then we're gonna just sand it down. Get a smooth surface, put on some paint.
So the filler's dry. We're gonna start sand it, but I don't think we're gonna film it because
It's just a bunch of noise and
bunch of noise. So yeah, we'll
film the end result once we're done sanding.
Yep. All right. So we just finished sanding, and of course it's not perfect, but it's good enough. He just put on the water, bringing a charger, and we're gonna start power wash.
Time for power wash.
Time for power wash. Oh shit. Tomorrow, hopefully, I'm gonna go out. You can see so good.
Nice.
Time to get clean.
Okay, so now we're done with the power washing. Boat's cleaned. And Chris is using a rag, some acetone, just to get the last grease particles and shit like that. Well, it should be ready for paint. Some small marks, but I think the paint will cover it up quite nice. As you can see, we applied some filler and these big marks. Yeah,
So,
time for paint.
acetone. Go one more time, and for those who have used this before, you know the smell. It's wash and get the fuck out for 5 minutes, and then
Yeah.
damn. So, alright, let's wash. Alright. Oh, fy. Oh, shit.
You get high from the smell.
Holy shit. So we're masking the last part.
Yeah, almost ready for paint now.
I just stirred up the paint. It's not the same color, but
It's close.
pretty close. I don't know if you can see it. Pretty close. So we can see how it will end up. Just start with the small portion here. Shit, on camera it was big difference.
Yeah, it was a lot darker than I thought.
Mm. Alright.
You can see the difference. Maybe if the lighting is good enough.
This roller was shit. But we use what we have.
Yeah.
I'm not trying to use a lot of money on the boat.
It's a low budget project.
Low budget project, yes.
Make what we can and use what we have for the most part. Except parts like the propeller. It's not really expensive. It's 1,000 Norwegian kronas. It's about $100. Well, as you can see, we're halfway there. Chris is painting. It's gonna be a different color once the paint dries, but that's how it looks now. You can see the other side for comparison. Color's a bit darker than we thought, but it might be nice once it's dry.
Nice, nice. Damn. It's a smooth boat.
Smooth boat. You're happy? Yeah, here you can see the color difference.
Only thing we miss, it's a giant, what's it called? Not poster, but sticker.
Yeah, sticker.
A giant eagle sticker. Coming like
Hell yeah, brother. No, we're almost done. First coat of paint. Might need a second one.
Hope it's drying fast.
Yeah. We'll just leave the port open and it'll get some wind and it'll dry fast. It's 20 degrees outside, so or Celsius.
Degree. It's that Celsius? Or is it Fahrenheit?
It's both.
It's both?
Yeah, you have to either go Celsius or Fahrenheit. So just a different measurement unit.
So it's 20 Celsius. It's fucking hot.
Yeah.
But oh, fuck, what's it called? In America, it's way more hotter, I think.
Yeah.
I feel sorry for those who are working in America. Wave and shit.
Yeah, it's different from every state, I think, but yeah.
Well, in Alaska, maybe it's not that.
It's probably not that hot. Like in California and shit, it's probably hot as hell.
So, we're coming up to the last part of painting. We hope to get one more coat there, this white, and probably gonna need 2 coats of under, because
Yeah.
it's black. So when you paint it the first time, you will have time to paint it 2 times.
Yeah, so we can get the nice coat underneath.
Tomorrow we have an agreement.
Yeah, we have an appointment with a drone pilot. So he's gonna do some drone footage for us once the boat's at sea, and we'll test it, and he'll get some footage from us. So that'll be cool.
He also have a YouTube channel.
Yeah, we'll put in.
We will put it in the.
We'll put the link in the description, and yeah, we'll fix everything.
So we finished painting. First coat, and yeah, we will start filming again when we start with next layer of paint.
It's time for the second coat.
Damn, I don't see you at all. The sun outside.
Yeah. Paint's almost dried up. It's a little sticky, but should be fine. It doesn't leave any marks.
Yeah. Said on the box it was 5 hours to second layer, but how long has it been? 1.5 hour?
Yeah, maybe 2.
Maybe 2, so we're just gonna try. See what's happening.
It should be fine, I think.
Should be fine.
It's a little sticky, but it doesn't.
We need to have it finished for tomorrow, so well.
No time for slacking.
Ready to paint?
Yeah.
Alright.
Let's start painting. Now, as you can see, Chris has applied a second layer of coat, second coat of paint. You can see the difference. Yeah. There, maybe. You can take a. You can probably hear the cat in the background.
Yo,
Yo,
it's getting nice.
how's it going? Happy with the results?
Yeah. It's. We could maybe wait it for 1 more hour, but
Should
don't
be
have
fine.
time, so that's how it goes. So we just finished the paint, the second layer of paint. So we take off the masking tape. We're gonna try to paint under.
Yeah.
And yeah,
You got this for underneath, so.
it will be nice looking.
Yeah, white. Self-polishing.
It's what the fuck it's called, shout, no, not shout out, but
Sponsor?
not sponsored. Alright. So Tony's gonna lay down, just start to take off the masking tape, and we will start filming when we're getting ready for the painting underneath.
It's time for the undercoat.
It's time to dive underneath.
Chris is getting ready.
It's a little bit water here, but fuck it.
It'll mix with the undercoat paint.
Oh, we got a huge problem.
What's that?
My stomach. I'm too fat to get underneath.
Need to pull it in.
From the side, maybe. Close call.
It's a close call, but it works.
Alright, do you have the paint on my left?
Yeah, I have it.
Nice.
Perfect. Let's just look at the color there.
Oh yes. Oh shit.
Some nice white paint. Should look good.
Whoa, what a smell. Shit.
It's some industrial shit. It's a heavy duty. You can see a little bit more of the undercoating. Looks pretty good if you ask me. Nice white color. Not much to it. Probably need 2 coats, but that's fine.
It's looking nice.
Very nice.
Very nice. Oh shit. Yo. So, it's maybe best to see it from here. It's more white brown color on top and white underneath. We finish all the way, and he's sleeping. No. So we're gonna go inside, watch Grand Tour, I think, and come back, paint it one more time. Hopefully it's dried about then. And tomorrow we're gonna put some tape around and just go fast around before we go to the sea. So yeah, see you in a bit. So we fired up the heater. We're starting on the second layer of coating. Whoa, it was dark here. As you can see, Tony without caps, dripping like hell, painting. So I can't see shit in this camera. We need a lot of followers, likes, subscribes. Maybe we will put on up a Patreon. If this goes off, we probably gonna buy new camera equipment. But yeah, we'll see. How's it going?
Almost done with the...
Can't see shit in the camera.
It's too dark.
Can I put on?
Try.
I don't know if you can see. I can't see myself, but. So we're gonna just keep on going to finish. How you can see example of how it will be when it's finished. Here I did just go with pencil fast to show you. So tomorrow we're gonna paint. Oh shit! Tomorrow we're gonna paint with whoa. We're gonna paint with we're gonna put some tape because the Bengalak, it's not dried, so we cannot put type on it today. But when we wake up tomorrow, we'll put some type and we paint it fast. We wait, I don't know, 2-3 hours, and then we probably go to the sea. And it's been a long break without something to drink, so it's time for some Capri Sun. This fucked up straw. Fucking shit. Come on. See if I can do this one hand. Nope. It's impossible. Alright. So. Oh shit, sorry. So we're just gonna plow on and yeah. We'll film some more when we finish. So we finished for today. We're gonna do one more layer with tape tomorrow. So it's getting dark, so the light, that's
not the best lighting.
We need to fix the cable to the shop. So that's it for today. Please like, subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.